Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Basically, welcome to my journey of trying to raise fund using Forex so that I can find my desire of investing in properties. So guys, today, since it's Monday, when I was analyzing the charts, I saw two opportunities. The first one was on pound versus dollar. So let's go to the chart so that I will show you what I saw, guys. So yeah, I started my analysis on the weekly time frame just to identify my dynamic support and resistance. So I see when the market touched this point, it went up and then there was a slightly pullback, and then it went up and then there was a pullback, and then it touched this area. So it respected this area and then it came down. And if you understand your chart patterns, you will notice that there was a double top here, which is signifying your resistance. And then when it touched this area, it went down massively. And then it touched my support, and then it went up. There was a run, and then there was a pullback. And then from that pullback, it went up. There was a run, and then it came down. So if you understand the chart again, you will see here there's a slightly head and shoulder, which is small. This is your shoulder, and then this is your head, and then this is your shoulder. So we see, because it's a reversal pattern, we see there was a reversal, which was the market going down, and then from this support area it touched this area, and then it respected this area and it went up, which is your double bottom. So it went up, and then we see the market touching this area, and then there was a pullback to the downside, and then we kind of see that there was a fake out here, and then the market moved up. So I drew my trend from this point to that point, from this point to that point. And then what I did is I went to the daily time frame just to see if the market is confirming what was happening on the weekly time frame. And then I saw that there was another trend here, which is your trend in a trend. Okay, let me draw another trend here. Let's kind of fix it. Okay, and then I see that at this point the market was correcting itself, and then what I did is I saw that the market was confirming with what was happening on the weekly time frame, which was bullish. So I came to the 4-hourly time frame. So on my okay, let's just fix this trend so that we get many touches. So what I saw that the market was correcting itself here. Then what I did is I saw that the market was respecting this area, which was my support, and this was my resistance. And then I went to my 1 hour time frame so that I can execute my trade. So like I said, I saw that the market was respecting this area, which is my resistance. So there was a touch here, there was a touch here, there was a touch here, there was a touch here. So when I was doing my analysis this morning, I saw that the market touched this area. So I decided that I'm gonna wait for the market to show its hand. I know that there are many people who executed their trade, they placed their sell here when the market touched here. So I wanted to be safe. I waited for the market to reveal itself, or to reveal its hand. So I waited for a confirmation. I waited for this candle to be formed, which is your bearish candle. Then I waited for another candle. So I drew my trend here because I wanted to execute my trade. I wanted to execute my sell immediately when the market crosses this trend line. So I waited for this candle to close, so that I can execute my sell. So when I executed when this candle closed, I executed my sell. I executed my sell here, and then what the market did is this one shoot up, and then it missed my stop loss because I placed my stop loss here. So it missed my stop loss with just a few pips, and then it decided to come down. So I set my take profit here, so which is like just 41 pips. So I executed 2 trades actually, because I'm still backtesting this strategy. So I'm still using a small lot size. The first trade I use 0.02, and then on the second one I use 0.03 because I wanted to see the difference. So I just want to show you this trade. So these are the trades that I placed today. Since I'm still a beginner, guys, I'm using a small lot size like I've said. So these are the trades, these are the pairs GBPUSD. The first trade, which was 0.02, I made like let's say $8.4, and then the one that was 0.03, I made like 13, how much is this now, let's say $13.7 from this trade. And then I will go to the second pair, guys. The second pair that I've analyzed today is the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. So I've used the same principle, which is to start from the 1 hour time frame, just to identify my dynamic resistance and support. So I saw that the market was respecting this area because it touched this area, and then there was a pullback, and then it touched this one, and then there was a run. It touched this area, which was the double touch, and then it went down drastically, and it broke this previous support up to this to form a new support. So what happened was, when it touched this area, it went up. There was a run, it broke this resistance, and then when it came here, I saw that the market was correcting itself, so I draw this new support here. Okay, then I saw that the market was trending, so I drew this trend line just to get multiple touches, and then I draw this trend line, and then I went to the 1 hour to the 1 day time frame just to get a clear look. So this was the support that I drew, and then I saw that there was another trend line here. I drew it, and then I started to notice that there was a pattern that was forming, which was the right angle, it was the triangle, which signifies that the market is continuing. So I saw that the market was also respecting this area, so I drew my support here, and then I came 4 hour time frame, and I saw that the market was respecting this area, and then I drew my support, my resistance. So when I woke up, I saw that the market was touching this area, so I knew that the market was gonna come down. And then what I did is I went to, I didn't know, let's say I wasn't sure, but I thought that the market was gonna go down from that area. So I came to my 1 hour. Then on the 1 hour, I saw that there was a pattern that was forming, which is the head and shoulder. This is the shoulder here, and then this is the head here, and then this is the shoulder here. So I decided to wait, because some people I know, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. Some people, they execute the sell trade from here. I'm not saying it's wrong, but for me, I just wanted to wait for the market to confirm. And then I saw that there was a touch here, there was a touch here, so I drew a trend line here, because I wanted immediately when the market, or when this candle breaks this trend line and close, I was gonna execute my sell trade. So I waited for the market to do that, and immediately when this candle broke this trend line and closed, that's when I executed my sale. And then I put my stop loss here, which is about 14.5 pips, and then my take profit was 38.2 pips. So I waited for the market to do that, but I got impatient, which is wrong. I closed the trade here, and then I will show you how much I made. Profit that I've made today, $27.58. So today I was just back testing my strategy since it's Monday, and guys, I was using it's a demo account that I was using so that I can be comfortable. I think I will start trading my real account tomorrow on a Tuesday. I normally trade on a real account on Tuesday, between Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. So if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and like. See you next time. Thanks.